Another cold start today. Same truck though, 1986 Ford F-150. Feels like it's, once again, like 1 or 2 degrees outside, saying about 10 inches of snow tonight. So I figure, well, maybe still can drive out of here, since that's a little two-wheel drive. Maybe we can get it to move. Well, first things first though, you gotta get it to start. So, get in it here. Alright, let's see what we get here. After the key goes in, of course. Alright, clutch, pumps, not counting. You can count if you want. More pumps. There we go. She's running, gear shifter's shaking. Oh, stallage. See how much gas we have. Not a lot. 115,000 Ford. Let's see if you can't move. Probably not. No. Come on, old girl. Ah, stall. We're moving. Not very far though. Taking a little walk around of it, now that you can see it. Like I said, it needs paint. Now the guy that we bought this from, he has so many keys for this thing. I couldn't even believe it. He had the key for the lock on the cab. I couldn't believe that. He bought this, the guy we bought it from bought it in '94, I think, with 35,000 miles on it. Now it's got 115,000. I think it's been sitting for like let's see, this last time it was on the road. Last on the road 1105, so it's 09 now, so it's been sitting for like the last 4 years. He couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. The fusible link was bad. Changed that, and the truck started right up. Start up, sits here and runs like just like this. You know, just a good old 1986 Ford. See what the engine looks like in this beast. $300 inline. Put it back here before it dies. It's got to get moved before it snows tonight. Well, if anyone wants to buy it, let me know. I mean, it runs good. It needs a couple things. If you want to know what's wrong with it, feel free to give me, shoot me a message, comment, anything like that. We can go from there. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.